slow. To the window, let's all go. Mom and children warm and tight. Together we shine so bright. Kiki tunes. Sing and laugh the day away. Clap your hands and tap your shoes. Hello little friends, come sing along. We'll play in the snow with a happy song. Jump, jump, jump on the bed, laughing so loud just like we said. Mommy smiles, the snow falls bright. Cozy room, such a lovely night. Snow is falling soft and slow. To the window, let's all go. Mom and children warm and tight. Together we shine so bright. Snuggle, snuggle, safe and warm. Mommy hugs us through the storm. Outside snowflakes drift and play. Inside love will always stay. Snow is falling soft and slow. To the window, let's all go. Let's all go. Mom and children warm and tight. Tight. Together we shine so bright. Little toys, animals too. Lion, rabbit and kangaroo. We make them talk, we make them sing. Oh, what joy these toys can bring. Snow is falling soft and slow. To the window, let's all go. Let's all go. Mom and children warm and tight. Tight. Together we shine so bright. Put on coats and hats so sweet. Boots go stomp on snowy feet. Out we go, the world is white. Snowflakes dancing left and right. Snow is falling soft and slow. To the forest, let's all go. Mom and children, hearts so light. With love and joy, our hearts are white. Snow is falling tall and round. Snowball laughter all around. Animals join, so cute to see. Snowy friends for you and me. Snow is falling soft and slow. Through the mountains, streams will flow. Mom and children side by